Good morning, students. As the previous day, we started a new chapter called the Northern Plains. At that day, we completed the introduction of the chapter, then the Satluj River Basin, Ganga River Basin, Brahmaputra River Basin, life of people in Punjab and Haryana. Today, we will start from Delhi. Location: Delhi is surrounded by the state of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, and Delhi is also our capital. Capital of Delhi is New Delhi. River Yamuna, it is situated on the river bank of Yamuna. Languages: Hindi, English, Punjabi. Many other regional languages are also spoken here. Festivals: all major Indian festivals are celebrated here as this is the national capital. So the diversity of this region is very vast. Festivals and art and craft: handicraft items and art craft from all over the India are found here in state emporiums and hats. Occupation: pharmaceutical, automobiles, electronics and information technology are some of the important industries. Food: cuisines from all over the India are found here. Street food of old Delhi is very popular. So as this is the national capital, so the diversity of this region is very vast. So if the diversity of the region is very vast, so there will be many cultures. If there is many cultures, so the diversity in food, clothes will be available there. Tourism: Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Tin Murti House, Akshardham Temple, India Gate, Lotus Temple, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Safdar Thumb, Jantar Mantar, Humayun's Tomb are the main tourist spot of Delhi. Uttar Pradesh. Location: it is surrounded by the state of Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan in the west, Madhya Pradesh in the southwest and south, Bihar in east and Nepal in north. Capital is Lucknow. River: Ganga, Yamuna and Gomti. So in Uttar Pradesh there are three main rivers. These are Ganga, Yamuna and Gomti, and Lucknow is situated in the river bank of Gomti. Languages: Hindi and Urdu. Festivals: Eid, Diwali, Holi, Dasera, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti, Buddha Jayanti are celebrated here. Dance and music: Russia, Ghazal, Qawwali, Swag, Nautanki. Classical Indian music are popular. Kathak and Charkula dance forms are popular. Arts and craft: chicken curry, badla work, brushwork, kujra, pottery, bangles and wooden furnitures are well known. So art and craft are famous in this region are chicken curry, badla work, brushwork, kajra pottery, bangles, wooden furniture are famous. Occupations: leather, metal, textile, sugar mills are major industries of the state. Crop grows: wheat, rice, sugarcane, maize, cotton, oilseed, tobacco are grown here. Tourism: Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri, Agra Fort, Dudhwa National Park and Pilibhit Tiger Reserve are well known tourism in tourist destination. So Dudhwa National Park is situated in Uttar Pradesh and it is only national park in Uttar Pradesh. Bihar. Location: it is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh in west, Nepal in north, West Bengal in the east and Jharkhand in the south. Capital: Patna. Rivers: Ganga, Gandak, Koshi and Son. So the capital city of Bihar is Patna and the main rivers of Bihar is Ganga, Gandak, Koshi and Son. Languages: Hindi, Bhojpuri, Maithili and Maghi. Festivals: Chhath Puja, Eid, Tej, Diwali and Dasera are the main festivals. Dance and music: Indian classical music, Dhrupad Gyan, Thappa, Thumri, folk songs, folk dance like Dhumbi Nach and Jhumar Nach are popular dance forms. Arts and craft. Maithili painting, Madhubani painting, Angika art, cotton durings and curtains are popular craft. Occupations. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Silk industry is also famous. Food. Chokha, litti, sattu and pitha are some popular food items. Sweets such as churma, thekua and malpua are also popular. Crops grown. Wheat, sugarcane, jute, rice, maize, gram, peas, pulses are main crops grown in the state. Lychees, pineapples, mango, bananas and guava are main fruits grown here. Tourism. Gaya, Bhagalpur, Bihar Sharif and Nalanda are popular tourist spots. West Bengal. Location. On the western side of the West Bengal lies Bihar, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Sikkim, Bhutan are located on the northern side and Meghalaya, Bangladesh lies in its eastern side. Capital is Kolkata. Rivers. Ganga, Brahmaputra and Hooghly. Languages. Bangla is the main language of the state. Festivals. Durga Puja, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Poila Boishakh, Posh Parbon, Saraswati Puja are main festivals of the state. Dance and music. Rabindra Sangeet, Baul, Nazrul Giti and Chou mask dance are popular in this region. So the main dance forms and music are Rabindra Sangeet, Baul, Nazrul Giti, Chou mask dance popular. Occupation. Agriculture, fishing, jute making, textile, silk, steel, plants, fertilizers, chemical, electronics and cables, railway, coaches and cinema are major industries. Food. Rice, fish, shukto, rashogolla, mishti doi, payesh, puli pithe, kathi roll and fuchka are the popular food of this region. Crops grown. Rice, jute, potato, sugarcane, wheat, etc. Tourism. Sundarban Duars, Boxer Tiger Reserve, Darjeeling, Haldia, Durgapur, Jalpaiguri, Siliguri are the popular tourist destinations. So students, today we already learn about Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. So I hope you understand this, read this very carefully and learn the capital cities of the states and the main rivers of the state and languages of the state and some of the festivals of the state. I hope you understand what I taught you today. Thank you.